Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name's Raheem Nahim. I'm here to show you the new Scout 277 LXF. This boat was ordered with a new Mercury 225 horsepower, 8-cylinder outboard motors. Amazing motors, great mid-range, great top end. If you notice, the new 277 has a full transom walkthrough, similar to the 32 all the way up to the 53. Come on board. Boat came equipped with a painted, to match the hull, the painted helm, flush mount Garmin, nice little logger here for your cell phone, of course your C-zone fob system to turn your batteries on and off. Boat came equipped with a side dive door. Sorry about that. Where this boat really was improved versus the older 275 LXF is just the forward space. If you notice kind of the shape here, it just gives us a lot of forward room up towards the bow. That's a little bracket for a table. Rod holder, cup holders in the bow where we can put a nice canopy shade. Nice location here kind of for our phones, extra cup holders. Well, thank you for joining us. If you need any more information on this beautiful Scout 277 LXF, please go to www.marinemax.com, Miami. Thank you.